This is a presentation of De Morgan's Law, and De Morgan's Law says this, that if you have two sets like this, and you union them, and then you take their complement, all right, this says what? This is what's outside of S union T. Well, you can simplify that or change it to this. Now, this is like a distributor property where I'm going to distribute the complement sign, but when I do that, that union sign flips over and becomes an intersect. So it becomes S prime intersect T prime. So let me show how that works here. We'll see that they're the same set. Actually, I'm going to draw two of these side by side so we can see that they're the same. Now on this side here, I'm going to draw S union T complement. So first up, here's S union T. All right, S union T is here. Everything in S all together with T, all right, that's S union T. And then the complement is everything that is outside of this. You know what, I'll do that in yellow. So it's everything that's outside. Everything outside is still in the universe. All right, so there we have the left side, S union T complement. And over here, let's do S prime intersect T prime. So I'll draw the two circles for our sets S and T. You know, I can mark them over here, S and T, S and T. Now first I'll draw everything that's outside of S. So where are we outside of S? Okay, that's everything that is outside of S. So I'll draw that here. I'll use that color there. All right, so here's everything that's outside of S. All right, and I got the first one, outside of S. Now I'm going to draw everything over here that is outside of T, and I'll do it in a different color. So everything outside of T is here. I just want to be sure I'm outside of T. Okay, I think I got everything outside of T. Now what I'm looking for is the intersection. Okay, what I want to do is I want to shade now where both those colors match. So like what I mean is this. Here I've got only one color, here I've got only one color, but out here I've got both colors. So I'm going to shade where I have both colors, and I'll do it in yellow here. Looks like here I've got both colors. Fine looking drawing. Okay, we've got it. Now if you match these two, what are you seeing here? That the one on the left, that's the same as the one on the right. So that's a visual proof of one of De Morgan's laws that says that if you take what's outside of the union, you get the intersection of what's outside of both. Now, another law says this. You can just turn this around. Suppose you have S intersect T and you complement that. All right, that's going to be just distribute the complement sign, but flip the intersection sign to a union, T prime. I won't make the drawing for that. You can probably get the idea if you wanted to do that yourself. So we would use this sometimes when you want to work with one set, but you're finding it a little bit difficult, so you change it so you're working with a different set that you may find a little bit more convenient.